President Trump's senior advisor and son-in-law says he's willing to cooperate with federal investigators, but he has not heard from them yet. That's according to Jared Kushner's attorney. What we know and what we don't. Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge has the latest.
A government source confirms the FBI counterintelligence investigation is scrutinizing meetings between the Russian ambassador Sergei Kislyak and members of the Trump campaign and transition team. Jared Kushner, the president's advisor and son-in-law, met with the Russian ambassador at least twice, including last spring. Another meeting reportedly included the head of a Russian bank that was the subject of U.S. sanctions.
Simply saying that he is a subject or a witness of an investigation is not really saying anything other than he was there. I mean, he witnessed the car accident, so to speak.
Driscoll, a former Justice Department official under President Bush, said it's routine for the FBI to cast a wide net, noting Kushner has already volunteered to share information with Congress. Kushner's lawyer said he has not been contacted by federal investigators.
We're a long way from him being what we would call a target when the government's getting closer to identifying people they think have actual exposure.
This week, the former CIA director confirmed he kick-started the FBI case because last spring, about the same time as the Kushner meeting, the Russians actively discussed how to influence the U.S. election.
They try to get individuals, including U.S. persons, to act on their behalf either wittingly or unwittingly. And I was worried by a number of the contacts that the Russians had with U.S. persons.
While the Democratic National Committee renewed calls for the suspension of Kushner's security clearance, a move experts called unlikely, Republicans on Capitol Hill gave the FBI until June 8th to provide fired FBI Director Comey's memos documenting his conversations with President Trump about the Russia case. In a letter, the Republican chairman of the House Government Oversight Committee, Jason Chaffetz, warned that he might issue a subpoena if the Bureau resists. The Russia investigation may create an opening for the president's political advisor, Steve Bannon. The website Axios reports that there's a new united front among Bannon, Kushner, and Chief of Staff Reince Priebus over the Russia allegations, though Fox News is told no decisions are expected until the president returns to Washington.
On a report that 3 leakers of classified information from the White House have been identified and will soon be fired, the administration had no information to confirm the report was accurate, and the Office of Government Ethics said they are not involved in anything like that, Brett.
Catherine, thank you.
You're welcome.